Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set whether you receive alerts or not from a chat. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Zello app, and here it opens up in the contacts list. From here we just go into the channels, then tap on a channel. Then we tap on the settings icon in the bottom right corner, and then at the very bottom there is a receive alerts from channel. We can tap on this, and we can select whichever option we would like to have. Either it's none, so we don't receive alerts at all, always, which means that we will receive every alert that is sent in this chat, or when connected to the channel, or when connected to Zello. Yeah, we can select whichever we like best. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.